Hey, we just did a Norwegian wood pile again. That's our second or third one or whatever. We did it with hardwood, and it's a time lapse, and I think you get a kick out of it. So enjoy. Okay, so this is a 4-foot circle that we're doing, and it's we're just dinging it in with a scribe with a post and the or a little centerpiece, and then the string, and that's 2 feet long, of course, and then it's 4-foot circle. And that makes a perfect circle for the outer ring of the wood. It shows you how to do the outer ring, 4 feet across, and you got to make sure you put the cross bracings in a little ways up, otherwise the thing will tip over. We had somebody that didn't believe me on that one. Tipped over anyway, so not because he didn't put the cross beams in, but check it out, and if you have any questions, get in touch.
Okay, so now we're going to put the wood cross beams in, and don't forget to do this. This is a really important part, because as we said before, it could fall down if you don't put these in. So you're going to do one this way and one the other way, so make sure to do that.
We can maybe even, I think we'll lower it to the same angle, right? Usually you don't do this.
Yeah.
This video, please subscribe and like down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.